If your home is constructed in an area of 250 square yards, then you need a pit of 200 square feet volume. Based on this information, the approximate measurements for your pit are 4 feet width, 6 feet length and 8 feet height. So employ the laborers and dig a pit with the above measurements: 4 feet width, 6 feet length and 8 feet height. From the bottom, start filling the pit with different kinds of granite. The first 4 feet from the bottom should be filled with 40 to 60 mm granite, that is your fist size granite. The next 2 to 3 feet should be filled with 15 to 20 mm size granite. The next 2 to 3 inches should be filled with coarse sand as top layer. The rest 9 to 10 inches should be left free. Construct a 6 to 9 inch thickness rim wall above the ground level up to a height of 6 to 12 inches, that is half to 1 foot, with a provision for water inlets. What are those? This is how the rim wall looks like. The two purple arrows show the rim wall with built-in water inlets, while the PVC pipe water inlet for the home roof water as shown by the purple arrow. The depth of the pit with which we filled with granite and sand should not be plastered. Remember, this should not be plastered with cement, while the free space as well as the rim wall should be plastered with cement after constructing a brick wall. Then direct the floor slope into the pit through built-in water inlets if the floor is either tiled or cement floored. But do not do this if the floor is either bare or dirt, as the dirt and sand enters the pit when the rainfall occurs. And direct the home roof water into the pit through the PVC pipes as shown here. Some useful information to remember. Always keep the pit clean by removing all the trash such as paper, plastic, plant leaves, etc. etc. Remove the trash from the home roof before the start of the monsoon season, as this trash will end up in the pit when the rain comes. Remove, wash and refill the coarse sand, the top layer, for better infiltration of rainwater before the start of every monsoon season. Allow only the rainwater and other clean water into the pit. Do not allow or direct the kitchen wastewater and bathroom wastewater into the pit. For your information, in urban areas, more than 90% of the rainfall or the rainwater goes waste. It enters the rivers, then seas and oceans. By constructing the rainwater harvesting pit in your household, you can save this water, or you can reduce the wastage of rainwater and help the recharge of the groundwater.